If I was to pick a favorite part, it would have been when I got the Roomba. You know what? I think I'm gonna name him Dusty.
Good idea.
I never knew playing basketball could be so fun. And you know Scott's rule that there could only be one winner? That sort of reminded me of our bottom line. There is one God and he loves me. Just like how there was only one winner, there's only one God. And from our Bible story we saw that I can know him. He made me to have relationship with me and be best friends with him. How cool is that?
That is so cool. And Jesus loves everyone and everything that he makes. And I feel his love every day, and it makes me feel really special. You know, the most important thing that God makes are people. And I can care about people because Jesus calls them valuable. You know, he made them, he loves them, and you know, God loved Adam and Eve, and he loves you and me. Jesus made us and he loves us. He made us special and unique, and he loves everything about us.